My name is Britney Stone. I'm a third grade teacher at Harper Elementary, and I've been here for 3 years. I use interactive technology almost every day. A lot of my kids come up to the board and will use the board to write. They will also use the board to solve math problems, use the graph paper. There is a smart component in the software where you can just build the math equation and the answer will pop up automatically, and I find that very helpful in learning multiplication and division facts. If any student is absent or if they need help at home, I can easily record what we've learned in class and send it directly to their parents. That way that they basically have a video of me showing them what to do at home. Octopus is a platform in the Newline interactive panel that I can find myself using most often. It is similar to what we used to have, and it includes more math tools, science tools, literacy tools. My favorite is the word building in that application. Another one is the Google Chrome. I love how you can play a YouTube video and annotate over the YouTube video, as well as capture screenshots and save those to send and share. We use a lot of video in the classroom. I like to use a lot of video where they're showing students how to compute a problem. Using this panel, they can pause and solve the problem, annotate over the video, or while the video is going on, they can annotate at the same time, so they're getting practice watching and listening as well as doing it themselves. The training was awesome. A lot of the questions that I had were already answered before I even had a time to ask them. Tim made it very simple to understand where he was going and what he was doing and how to get to where he was and how to save things.